So you have just normal bare wires. Take your wire strippers, strip back about 1/4 to 1/2 inch of the housing, if you will, to give yourself bare wire. I like to give it a little twist so it kind of stays together, or else it'll fray when you try to put the tips on. The metal piece that comes with the kit, there's an opening on one side. Go ahead and place that over the wire. Then you'll take your crimps and you will crimp it. If you don't have crimps, you can actually use like a pair of needle nose pliers or something similar. You just want to get it on there pretty firmly. That indents it and makes it stay attached to the wire. You're going to want to go ahead and take the plastic insertions. Now, if you look inside of this, I know it's kind of difficult to see, but there is a piece of metal. So if you put that at the bottom, and then this has a little hook on it, the goal is to hook that little hook over the metal inside of here. So you kind of fish it through like threading a needle. You'll feel it get started, and go ahead and push it, and you'll hear it click, and it'll snap over the top, and now it's secure. And again, red to red, black to black for positive and negative. I usually look down the inside here when I'm trying to fish it through. You'll be able to see it, and it locks in place. Now the next part you have to do is connect these two. They have ridges, like an indentation and a raised spot to slide together. If you take your battery or your battery or your leads off of your trolley, you can go ahead and match it up. So essentially put the red to red, and so that means the black goes here. So then you take these two, you slide them together, and now you have your Anderson connector.